Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nawang Taufika, a representative of Guire Felix Tour and Travel. Here I will be the tour leader for this outbound tour. First, I will explain the document we have to prepare to this tour to South Korea. One is passport. What is a passport? Passport is travel document issued by the government of the country to its citizen, which serve to verify the identity and citizenship of the holder in international travel. And so how do you get a passport? We can make a passport online with the application Andrian Passport. Although we can make passport online, we also have to come to immigration office for interview, fingerprint, take photo, and passport collection. Before making a passport, we must also prepare the document for making a passport, such as ID card or student card, family card, marriage book or latest diploma or birth certificate. You choose only one, and then stamp of 10,000 as many as 2 pieces of. For those who already have a passport and wanna replace or extend the passport, the required file or original and photocopy ID card, old passport and photocopy of the front page of the old passport. And for the minors, the document to be prepared are parents' ID card and family card, and then birth certificate and marriage certificate or parents' marriage book. Next, I will explain how we make passport online. First, download passport application online, namely Andrian Passport, and then register, fill out the form, make sure all data is correct, and then choose a location, and then select the arrival schedule and screenshot of the booking code to be taken to the immigration office according to the schedule. The next step is to come to the immigration office in accordance with the location selection, then conduct interview, fingerprints, and take photo. 2. Visa. Visa is a document issued by the destination country that we will visit to enter and exit the country. In the past, if we want to get a visa, we had to go to the Korean embassy in Indonesia, but since 2019 we have to go to the Lotus Shopping Avenue. If we wanna make a visa, there is a KVAC, namely the Korean Visa Application Center, where we make a visa. There are several types of this visa. Single entry visa with a visit period of less than 90 days and more than 90 days. And then the double entry visa can be visited twice in 6 months for a maximum stay of 30 days. And multiple visa, unlimited visa with visit 5 years. So if you are traveling, it is enough to use a single entry visa that is less than 90 days. Similar to making a passport, in applying for a visa, we also need documents that must be prepared, such as fill out the visa form, take photo with a white background and with a size of 3.5 times 4.5, and then passport and certificate of employment, student, trade permit, and certificate using English on Korea, and ID card and family card. And then financial document, just 2 out of 5 details of bank transaction or current account for the last 3 months issued by the bank, last salary slip, tax payment letters, credit cards usage detail for the last 3 months, photocopy of certificate of ownership of motor vehicle or house certificate, and then tuberculosis diagnosis certificate issued from a hospital that has been appointed by the embassy, and then quarantine approval form and health certificate. The estimated cost for applying for a visa or single entry visa for less than 90 days is 568,000. Some for more than 90 days is 862,000. And then the double entry visa is 994,000. And then multiple visa is 1,278,000. And if you wanna travel, you just need to use the single entry visa, which is less than 90 days. For the visa processing, it takes about 5 days. Making this visa can be done individually or through the service of an agent who has been appointed by the embassy. In addition, we can arrange with the tourist visa group. So, you only submit personal data such as passport and photocopies of passport, and we can discuss it further later. 3. Travel insurance. Travel insurance helps protect you on your journey from all risks that may occur. Well, this insurance will cover if there is cancellation or change your schedule, medical costs due accident and emergency evacuation, and then accident and flight delay, and baggage quarantine, lost the baggage, damage to baggage, loss of personal belonging, and damage to personal document. And 4. Medical document. A health document serves to show that we are in good health with a certificate from hospital, clinic, or health center. And 5 is vaccine certificate and negative PCR test result. Vaccine certificate as proof that we have done the vaccine, and negative PCR test result, which means we are safe to travel abroad. Original document of proof of PCR test with a negative result issued within 72 hours prior to departure date by the examining institution appointed by the embassy. The embassy has appointed by many as 37 inspection institutions to consider facilitating easy access for inspection. Document must be in English or Korean, and document submitted the quarantine officer. 6. Ticket document. This ticket document consists of airplane tickets, hotel reservation ticket, and ticket at tourist destination. But take it easy, because we will take care of this ticketing document. You just need to fill in the personal data form for ticket booking purpose. 7. Itinerary. It is very important for us to know the sequence of events that we will do there, starting from where we live until when we will arrive back to our country, and in addition, to avoid times to delay. The last document is debit card. There is no minimum amount of debit in the account, which is important to be able to support the needs in South Korea. Because the ambassador just wanna make sure that we can meet our needs while in Korea. And just case we can make an estimate, that is, one day in Korea, at least 1 million in account. This debit is related to make a visa. Well, those are some of the documents we need to prepare to travel to South Korea. Maybe that's enough explanation from me. If something is not clear, you can directly ask or contact me via WhatsApp or email. And are there any questions? Okay, it doesn't seem like there is. So, thank you for hearing my explanation very well, and I apologize if there is mistake in saying, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.